Hey, what's going on? I want to do a quick little behind the scenes video here. I'm shooting a video and I just thought it was extra cool, so I wanted to share it with you. Now, normally this is the view that you see in my videos. This is my office and, you know, there's my stuff in the background. But this is what I'm looking at when I shoot videos. So as you can see here, this is my desk with my computer monitors, and I have these softbox lights that are just kind of installed. They never go anywhere. But right in front of me, I've got my camera. This is my Canon R. That's an amazing camera that I got a few months back. So this is my main camera that I use. And then down here, so I'm making a video about this bit right here. I got this universal socket bit to install all of these different types of screws with this one bit. It's really amazing. I'll put a link for this video down in the description if you're interested in checking out, because it was super cool. But right in front of me here is my GoPro, and you can see on my phone I monitor what's going on the GoPro. So, you know, I've got the view right here of all the little screws. It's pretty neat. And then above me I've got my Canon M50, which has got an overhead shot going, and as you can see here, it's showing all of my screws that I'm screwing in right now. And that is just mounted to this tripod that's sitting on my desk that has like this arm that comes off from it. So I just thought it was super cool, and I really just wanted to share that with you. So I hope you like that and got a kick out of that. And if you got any questions about my setup, let me know. I'll put some links down in the description for some of my stuff if you're interested in it. You're probably not, but I geek out over this stuff and the gear. The gear is like totally what I'm into. So yeah, and then I'm recording this on my other Canon M50. So I have a lot of cameras and gear and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.